In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bulleted list in Gmail. This is a quick way to make your emails clearer, easier to read, and more professional. We'll walk through how to turn your lines into a clean bulleted list, how to add more bullets as you write, and a handy shortcut to speed things up. Start by opening your Gmail account and clicking the Compose button to start a new email. A small Compose window will pop up, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Type your email content, or at least the lines you want to turn into a bulleted list. Many people like to write out a few items first, each on its own line, and then format them together, which works perfectly for this method. Next, highlight the text you want to convert into a bulleted list by clicking and dragging your cursor over those lines. This tells Gmail exactly which text you want to format. Look toward the bottom of the Compose window for the formatting toolbar. If you don't see it, click the A icon with a line underneath to reveal it. This toolbar contains all the basic formatting options you need. Now, click the bulleted list icon. It looks like a column of 3 dots with short horizontal lines next to them. The text you highlighted will instantly switch into a clean bulleted list, making each line its own bullet point. From here, adding more bullets is simple. Place your cursor at the end of a bullet and press Enter to create a new bullet beneath it. If you're finished with your list, press Enter twice to end the bulleted list and return to normal paragraph text. This makes it easy to switch between lists and regular writing as you compose. If you prefer to work from the keyboard, there's a useful shortcut: press Ctrl-Shift-8 on Windows, or CMD-Shift-8 on a Mac, to start or toggle a bulleted list. This is especially convenient if you want to begin a list before typing your items. Just use the shortcut, type your first item, and press Enter for each new bullet. When your list looks the way you want, continue composing your email, review it for clarity, and send it when you're ready. Bulleted lists are great for action items, checklists, or highlighting key points so your recipients don't miss anything important. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.